Hi, my name is Willie the BBQ Coach, and I'm introducing our new spacer kit so that you'll have no cutting between cutouts. This has really helped a lot of people out that don't want to do any cutting at all. And with this BBQ Coach system, we truly have a system that you could do no cutting. If you stick with our size depth modules, you don't make them shorter because all these pieces are pre-cut. We have telescoping tubes for your grill cutouts and different pieces so you don't have to cut widthwise. The only thing where people used to have to cut was, for example, like this piece where they installed their grill cutout kit and had their end frame. They would have had to cut this piece for the left side and the right side. So that's why now I've created this no cut spacer kit with different ranges, which are all listed below here in the product description. So you can see that you have a great way here if you buy this pack for different sizes. So I highly recommend, if you don't want to cut, buy this spacer kit with your outdoor kitchen package. And if you have a situation where you're going to have like maybe a grill and a slide-in burner in an 8-foot module, a longer module, you might want to buy our long-range telescoping part that's sold separately from the pack. And you can see how far that's telescoped off that 3-way corner all the way out here in this range. You can see it goes quite a bit. You put this in at least an inch, and there it is there. And then you have your adapter to go over a 3-way corner. And here's the adapter like this. So here would be a 3-way corner and would take a VT down. You'd probably want to install a couple of VTs. Maybe you're putting a door here in or something like this that holds up this telescoping part nice and strong. But this also is another way to avoid cutting on longer ranges. Here is a look at all the pieces you're going to get with this kit. This required a lot of cutting, a lot of labor to cut all these parts to help you avoid cutting. Here is our telescoping spacer kit for 4.5 to 6 inches from the outside of these 3-way corners. You can see here it's at 4.5, and now let's go ahead and slide on the 3-inch part. That brings it up to 4.5, and then you telescope it out with a little bit under each side here, and you can reach 6 inches. Just like that. Make sure when you do this that you mark on here. You make sure you make a mark how far to slide this on, because you want at least 3/4 to 1 inch of overlap. So you got to make a mark here so when you slide it in, you can stop. Introducing our 5 3/4 to 7-inch spacer kit. The 3-way corners are not included. Those are from your grill cutout kits. You can see how this goes together like that. If you put it all the way in, it's 5 3/4 from the outside of here to the outside of there. And then you can space it out a little bit, and you can get up to 7 inches with still like an inch of inside the tube here to out to 7. Here is the kit, 7 3/4 to 9-inch range. That's the outside range from the outside of the 3-way corners. We slip in our 3-inch by 25 millimeter, our 3-inch by 21 inch, and this 3-inch by 25-inch on the other side. See how it telescopes? And then we slide in the 3-way corner. The 3-way corners are not included. Those are from your cutout kits, like your slide-in side burner or grill cutout kits. And this will give you that telescoping range between like the left side of the grill, the right side of the grill, for anything 7 3/4 to 9-inch range, outside range. That's from the outside of here to the outside of there. Here we have our telescoping kit, spacer kit, 9.5 to 12-inch outside range from outside of the 3-way corners. 3-way corners are sold separately. They come with the cutout kits. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we'll put this together. See how that slides over the 3-way. There's your telescoping part, the 21 millimeter. Then you have your 3-inch by 25. And then you can see how it's demonstrated here up against the 3-way corners, and all the way condensed is 9 inches. So that's perfect. So anywhere from 9.5 to 3/4 inches range. Here is our telescoping kit for the 10 3/4 to 13 inch range. It includes a 3 by 25 millimeter, a 6 inch by 21 inch millimeter for telescoping, and a 4 inch by 25 inch. This would slide over your 3-way corner on one side. This one would slide over the other one. And see how this hits the 3-way corner here? And this hits that 3-way corner. This overlaps this here. So that's how that would work. And then this would let you telescope this out. You can have 1 inch overlap. So see how it's going out like this? And then this goes all the way in. You could even actually go out a little bit like that if you really had to. So that's how it telescopes like that. The 3-way corners are not included. That's from your cutout kits. This is just to bridge this up together so that you don't have to cut those parts on the left and right side of grill or between a slide-in sideburner and a grill. We're making various telescoping and cut parts so that you don't have to do any cutting when you're doing your cutout kits. So this one is 10 3/4 to 13 inches. Here is the telescoping spacer kit, 24 3/4 inch to 41.5 inch maximum length, and that's the measurement from the outside of the 3-way corners. 3-way corners are not included. Those come with your cutout kits. Now we'll go ahead and put this together here. This slides right over the 3-way corner. The telescoping one slides on the inside. You can see how that telescopes. Isn't that nice? And then you've got your 3-inch adapter, 25 millimeter, that lets it slide over the 3-way corner. This comes sold as one unit because usually you're just trying to fill in the space from the end of your module over to where you had a grill or slide-in side burner and you have a long space. You don't want to cut the tube so that you can use this.